我是 Lin， 我是这个现在后面这栋房子的屋主。我呢非常感谢 Rudy Kusuma 的那个 Sales Team， 帮我在差不多真的是21天的时候 close escrow。我非常高兴，在一开始我签合同的时候，我还在怀疑他们能不能那么快就卖出去。But today, dream comes true. Thank you. At beginning, I heard the radio. There's advertising says they have a lot of buyer. That's why attracting me. So I call, and we made an appointment right away. And we signed contract right away because I trust them. And now it's happy ending. So I'm happy. Thank you for Rudy Kusuma sales team again. After I signed the contract with Karen, at the same day, about 7:30 p.m., I believe, and she has buyer, and they signed the offer at 11 p.m. Can you believe that? And so that's true. They have buyer, they have cash buyer. So trust them, and to hire them again. Thank you.